Help me decide what I should be for Halloween. I have a bunch of options, so I'm gonna go really fast. I could be Troy Bolton. Get your head in the game. Or I could be a fairy. I could be a grandma with my lovely grandchildren. Or Popo. I could do Orange is the New Black. Mrs. Incredible. I have this knight costume in case I need to slay any beasts. A bald guy. This is the cool moms from Mean Girls.
Not like a regular mom. I'm a cool mom.
This is sexy Michael Scott. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is stupid. A Victoria's Secret Angel. Princess Fiona. Now just imagine green screen. Anyways, let me know which ones you guys like, or if you have any suggestions.